Hi everybody, I'd like to show you my latest project. It's modifying and repairing a NR24 Auricon amplifier. This is one of the older units that has octal tubes in it, and one of the things that the owner asked me to do was remove the original Jones connectors and replace them with XLR. So this is the original Jones connector that was installed in the amplifier. There are two of them, one for the mic and one for the phono input. It's a two blade, as you can see. And then I've replaced them with XLR connectors, which allow modern equipment to be connected pretty easily. So this was a simple modification to do, largely mechanical work. So let me show you what I did. Let's turn around to the back side. First, the thing we need to do is remove the meters. As the cabinet is steel and you'll be making lots of chips, the meters have magnets in them, so we want to make sure those come out. So to remove the meters, these particular ones had solder lugs with soldered wires on it. What you want to do though is unsolder the connectors rather than take the screw out. The screw holds in some internal parts in the meter, and if you take those out, you'll be taking the meter all apart to put them back in again. So make sure you unsolder the wires. Then we need to take out the original Jones connectors and enlarge the hole to fit the XLR connectors. To do that, I used a step drill bit. One trade name is Unibit, and so this should be done in a drill press with everything clamped down so that nothing gets out of control. Then the wiring is pretty simple once the connectors are installed. So the phono input on the left here uses pins 1 and 2 from the original coaxial cable that you can see there. And then on the microphone input side, the shield goes to pin 1 of the XLR, and pin 3 comes from the original green wire from the microphone transformer, which you can see down there, the round object. So one of the red wire from the microphone transformer was originally soldered to the shell of the transformer casing. So I unsoldered that and bring it up to pin 2 of the XLR. Had to extend the cable a little bit with some splicing on a piece of red wire there. Both leads come off the same side of the transformer, the same oval black opening down there. Now once complete, you can put the meters back in, and now we can plug in a regular dynamic microphone into the microphone input. However, a condenser microphone needs phantom power, and you won't be able to power that from the Auricon amp. The balanced input here is actually unbalanced, and so you can use it with electronic output from a modern mixer, no problem. And as long as the level is between -20 and +10, it should be it'll work just fine. And that's most modern equipment can supply that. And then to connect unbalanced sources to it, I made up this short adapter cable, which is RCA to XLR male. And the center pin is connected to pin 2 of the XLR, and the shell of the RCA is connected to pin 1. So I hope you find that useful. Thanks very much.